So today I'm going to be unboxing the Royal Clutch S98 mechanical keyboard. This is what my boyfriend got me for my birthday, and I've been eyeing this keyboard for months, but I was having second thoughts because it's quite expensive. So shout out to my boyfriend for getting this for me, and let's get to the video. So when I opened the box, there's like a tiny hole, and I was a little bit worried because I thought the keyboard was damaged. But when I opened it, there's a plastic cover or plastic dust cover, so it's still good, and I did not find like any scratches inside. And there's the keyboard and the manual. So here I'm just like testing out how it feels and how it sounded. And inside you can find the cable, the Sky Science switches, the pry piece, and the switch puller. And so I'm gonna be trying the keyboard with the cable first because I'm impatient, and I'll try out the other ones later, but it's not gonna be included in the video. By the way, this keyboard has 3 modes, so you can like connect it via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and cable. And here I'm currently selecting the GIF that I wanted to play on the LCD screen. By the way, you needed to download the software from the Royal Clutch website. So there's like a separate software for the type of keyboard that you have. So I'm going to be putting in the link below on where you can download it. And by the way, this is Ryder from the Fate series. Specifically, this scene was from Heaven's Field. And here's the keyboard. I'm going to be showing you like the different light effects that you could choose from. There's like 19 of them, so yeah. And this is how it sounds like. By the way, this is the brown switch. So here I'm just showing each light effect from 1 to 19. So that was it. That's all the light effect options that you could choose from. And this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching.